It's another great Tuesday. And you know what Tuesday means? Tuesdays mean Taco Tuesday!
Okay, so I have a little something that I'm going to read first to Quincy, Isaiah, and Penn. As someone who believes everything happens for a reason and God always has a plan, I never thought the grooming process that I started at 16 with 3 great kids would lead to my future and now get to call you 3 amazing people my own. Quincy, Isaiah, and Penn, I promise to love you always, and I hope you understand that when I told your dad I do, I promised you guys forever too. I will never take anyone's place, but I will always be here to help you dance through life. The day we met, I truly believe speaks volumes about our future together. I promise to always show love and support in every decision you make, and I also want to thank you for supporting mine no matter how crazy they are. You genuinely make me a better person. I'm forever proud to call myself your wife, and thank you for picking me, and I can't wait to see where life takes us next, and I love you. Woo! Woo!
Oh, I spy, with my little eye, a curly-headed cutie I can make my wife. Me and you, we are the same. Me and you have all the fame. And I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell, because I really fell for you. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun. Yeah, they say when you know, and I know one thing's for sure. I got a good girl, because I got myself a good girl. I want to be here forever, so baby, will you be my wife? Now that we know a little better, we could have a real nice life. Because I'm what you wanted, and you're what I need, so let's meet in between. We're going to be the greatest love story this town has ever seen.
That was good.
Ty is my better half. He's the things I can't be, but I want to be. Recently, I sent a late night text to Ty when I was having a bad day. He simply replied with, I love you.
Some people have to wait a long time to find the loves of their life, a life partner that will stick it out with them through thick and thin. Some people never find that person at all, but for Sammie, that happened at the young age of 2 months old when she met me.
He wears his heart on his sleeve. I'm guarded. He's a giver. I'm a taker. I broke his arm. I broke his leg. He named his son after me.
Each of you know Sammie in your own way, but I think each of us in this room can agree that there's something about her that makes you smile from ear to ear when you see her.
He's a lover. I'm a fighter. These are but a minuscule amount of what has always made Ty my better half.
She's patient, she's kind, she's honest, sometimes brutally honest, and always tries to put others above herself.
Congratulations to you both. In the words of Coach Norman Dale, I love you guys. Cheers.